Google released their new Android emulator. So if you want a new emulator, then this video is for you. Like if you are done with using so if you want to switch between the BlueStacks and so if you want, yeah, Google released their new Android emulator. So if you want to make a switch from your BlueStacks emulator to a new one, then this video is for you. So you just need to simply go with your Chrome browser and you need to search for Google Play Games on PC emulator. And here you will have the Android developers option. So you just need to simply click on it. And once you click on that, here you will have this kind of interface. So this is the Google Play Games on PC emulator, but it's for developers. But what's the good thing is everyone will be able to download this and use this emulator. This Google Play Games on PC developer emulator is a developer focused emulator for Google Play Games on PC. It features a configurable emulator and surrounding tooling to make it easy to build, test, and debug your PC title. This emulator is useful for testing and developing games for Google Play Games on PC. So it has some terms and conditions. You need to accept the terms and conditions before using the emulator. It has the system requirements. If you want to know that if your system is capable or not, then you can go with the system requirements. Here you will have the link. You can just simply click on the link and check your system that it meets the minimum requirements or not. And it will also have the release notes and differences from the customer's experience. And it enables the virtualization. It has data collection. And if you scroll down at last, here you will have the downloads. So you can just simply click on these and you'll be able to download the emulator. So this is the new emulator from Google. So if you wanted a switch from BlueStacks or any other emulator, then this is the best emulator. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.